Hi everyone. Today we'll be solving second problem of 30-day lead code challenge. So first, let's look at the problem statement, and then we'll dive deep into the approach. So the problem states that you're given a number, any positive number. Now you need to replace that number with sum of square of its digit, and you need to repeat the process until the number reaches 1. But there is a condition that if the loop is an endless cycle, that means you're never going to reach 1. So those number we have to reject, like those numbers are never going to end at 1. So basically we need to return true if the number is a happy number, and if it's not, then we need to return false. Let's look at the approach and see whether how do we approach this problem. So let me open my okay, so we are given 19 as the input, so we have 19 here. Now it says we need to run a loop till we reach sum of square of its digit is equal to 1. So what would be the square? Sum of square of this digit is 1 square plus 9 square, which will be equal to 9 square 81, 82, right? Now what will be the sum of square of digits of 82? It will be 8 square plus 4 square, sorry, 2 square, which is 64 plus 4, which is 68. Now 68 is 6 square plus 8, sorry for my mouse, 8 square, so it's going to be 16 square is 36 plus 8 square 64, right, which will be equal to 100. Right, now 100 sum of square of digits will be 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square, which is 1. So we have reached our target 1, so we are going to return true for 19. Let's try to look at any other number which might not be a happy number. I don't know which are not happy numbers, but I'll take a random guess. Let's say I take 11. So what would be the square? 1 square plus 1 square will be equal to 2. 2 square is 4. 4 square is 16. Sum of digits 16 square is 36, 37. What is 37 here? 3 square 9 plus 49, which is 58. 58 would be 5 5 25. Sorry, 25 plus 64, which is 89. Then 89 would be 8 8 is 64 plus 81, which would give us 81 64 145, right? 145 would be 1 plus 16 plus 25, which will be 17 25 42. 42 sum of digits square is 16 plus 4, which is 20. 20 sum of digit is 4. Now there is a catch here. If you see through the whole cycle, we came from 11 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 16, 16 to 37, 37 to 58, 58 to 89, 89 to 145, 145 to 140 to 42, 42 to 20, and 20 to 4. You see 4 is repeating here again. So we know it's going to be a cycle, because after 4 it's again going to repeat this cycle, and this will be an endless infinite cycle like this. So we know for sure it's never gonna reach 1. Like sum of digits of this number is never gonna reach 1. So we are gonna break here as soon as we find that uh, we are in a loop, and we exit out of the loop and we return false. Now what we could do in order to find that there is a loop, we in current advanced languages we have a data structure called set. We can keep a set, or you can use a map as well to keep storing whatever values you have traversed till now, and if we see that value again, just return false at that moment. Let's dive into the code and see how we can solve it. So here is my method signature. So I usually like to modularize my program, so I'm gonna write a separate utility method that takes the input as a number and returns me the sum of square of its digits. So sum of square of digits. Okay, now I'm gonna do through the digits of this number. So I'm gonna take 97 equal to 0, and then my n remainder is n minus 10. 7 divided by 10, just to check whether my method works. Let me just spread this out to see whether my logic is correct. So 19 should give me 82. Okay, it's correct. So now I can simply create a set. While one so the check here I'm doing is, if I already see this number again in my set, don't consider it. Obviously I'm gonna insert n in this. So now is not equal, so I don't find that number, so otherwise I would break. Otherwise I would just return false, right? And if it doesn't reach false, it's gonna reach the end of this line of code and it's gonna return true. And here I'm gonna do so I insert and then I may, or else better would be to have n. Right, so next time the loop comes in, I can do it like this. Got it. Okay, output is false. Oops. So what mistake did we do here? It's while one initially s is 99, so 19 sum of square of 19 is 82. My bad. Cool. Basically, I forgot that, yeah, we need to break out of loop when it equals to 1. If, or else if there is a cycle, this code is going to detect that, okay, we found the value, and it will go into the else code and return false. Otherwise, so basically, if you see code line by line, n is 19, set is empty. So initially n is 19 is not equal to 1. And then I check into the set. We don't find it in set. We insert in the set. So set has 19. So if I have to, let me remove this and create a new one. So yeah, if I run loop by loop, so s initially doesn't have anything. Then when I done insert, s has 19, right? N becomes 82 because sum of digits of 19 is 82. The next time it checks 82 is not equal to 1, so we come here again, 82 is not found in the set, we insert in the set. So set has 19 comma 82, right? Next time n is 68. 68 is not equal to 1. Again, we don't find it in set, we insert in set. So set becomes 19 comma 82 comma 68, sorry, 68. And then n is becomes 100. Now we don't find this value in the set as well. So set, insert in the set. So set now is 19, 82, 68 and 100. Now next time when we get n will become 1, and then we have a check here while n is not equal to, which breaks the while loop, and we return true. So it works. So this was a small and easy question that we solved today. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.